Welcome to the 50th anniversary Hartford Boat Show 2019, being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel. I work for MarineMax, and today I'm going to take you through the 190 SPX Sea Ray. This is a beautiful boat, great for cruising, water sports, and occasional fishing. As you can see, this boat has a beautiful sun pad off the back. As we enter the boat, we're greeted by two captain's chairs, which swivel, a nice bench seat with storage underneath. There's also enormous in-floor storage for your water activities, fenders, lines, a glove box. And as we move to the bow, we do have a very spacious seating in the bow with storage underneath. This boat's also equipped with the Simrad GPS chart plotter fish finder or depth finder and a stereo Bluetooth. For more information on the 190 SPX Sea Ray, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.